From the beginning, Korea was called a hermit nation. A hermit nation is a nation which walls itself off, either metaphorically or physically, from the rest of the world. Many other countries followed this ideology, walling itself off and living in total isolation from the world. Many such countries were Bhutan, Yemen, and many more. Japan's invasion in Korea totally changed the history of the country. In 1910, Korea was annexed by the Empire of Japan after years of wars and massacres. After the First World War, Japan was continuously increasing its territories, and after it annexed Korea, it moved towards China. Korea was under Japan till 1945 until the bombings on Hiroshima and Nagasaki by the USA and the end of the World War II.
To 60 to 70,000 people. We are now into a completely new era.
Perhaps 100,000 people incinerated in seconds.
After the end of the Second World War, Korea was chosen to be an independent nation, but as Germany fell into USA's and USSR's hands, Korea also was divided according to the jurisdiction of North falling into USSR's hand and South Korea falling into USA's hand. Kim Il sung, the leader of the Workers' Party of Korea and a communist guerrilla leader, established North Korea under the supervision of USSR in 1948. The USSR pushed North Korea into absolutism, autonomy, and dictatorship, whereas in South Korea the first free elections were held under the ally USA. Kim took control over the media and art, fostering a medium portraying him as a god of North Korean public. After Kim Il sung became the first premier of North Korea, he sought to unify Korea as one nation, rejuvenating its glory. And after getting the support from Stalin and the Chinese government, Kim invaded South Korea, which started a series of war between North Korea and South Korea, as well as in the big picture between USA and USSR. It resulted in the death of millions, both military and civilian. The war ended in a ceasefire in 1953, but no peace treaty was signed between North and South Korea. The USSR fell in 1991. This increased tension in the country, which formerly was suffering from a great famine which occurred after the war in South Korea and North Korea. Kim Il sung died of heart attack in 17th July 1994. After the death of Kim Il sung, his eldest son Kim Jong il took over as the great general of North Korea. North Korea at that time was suffering from a famine, forcing him to ask for food assistance from South Korea and USA. After 9/11, USA put North Korea in its list of evils alongside Iraq and Iran. Feeling threatened, the country withdraws from the Nuclear Non-Proliferation Treaty and tests its first nuclear missiles in 2006. In 2011, Kim Jong il dies of illness and is succeeded by his son Kim Jong un, who accelerates weapon research. The country also invested in improving its ballistic missiles to improve its range. In 2016, the country claimed to be equipped with a stable nuclear weapon. In 2017, an intercontinental ballistic missile or an IBM was fired directly threatening US soil. The country became increasingly isolated. This worsened the situation of poverty and famine in the country. Poverty in North Korea is extensive with around more than 60% of population living under poverty line. North Korea has a population of 25 million and the effects of the famine from the 1990s is still visible in the starvation and lack of proper facilities in the country. People are not able to grow crops and they are eating rodents and also are eating their own pets to overcome hunger, and the situation is worsening day by day. Now, this graph shows us how the GDP of the neighboring countries of North Korea have rapidly increased, but North Korea probably has a decreasing economy. This graph shows us the falling per capita income of the country, leading to high poverty among sections of society in North Korea. All these reasons illustrates the last graph that demonstrates the infant mortality rate, which is highly increasing in North Korea. These graphs prove the existence of deeply rooted poverty in the country, which might have to do with the dictators ruling there.